If you're spending your Sunday nights planning lessons instead of resting, this is for you. Last Sunday, I opened my laptop at 7:30 p.m. I told myself, this week, I'll finish planning early. But there I was, switching between the textbook, last year's notes, Google Docs, and 3 different tabs I didn't even remember opening. Objectives, activities, assessments, homework, differentiation. 2 hours passed, and I had planned Monday. That's when I asked myself a simple question. What if I didn't have to start from scratch every week? So I tried something different. I uploaded 3 things into NotebookLM: my syllabus, my textbook chapter, and last year's lesson notes. Then I typed 1 sentence. Create a structured 5-day teaching plan with objectives, classroom activities, discussion questions, and formative assessments. In seconds, it generated a clean, organized weekly plan. Day-wise breakdown, clear learning outcomes, engagement activities, exit tickets.
Was it perfect? No.
But it was 80% ready. And instead of staring at a blank screen, I was refining, improving, personalizing. What used to take 2 to 3 hours now takes 15 minutes. And here's the important part. NotebookLM didn't replace my thinking. It amplified it. Now, Sunday evenings feel lighter, planning feels strategic, and I walk into Monday prepared, not exhausted. If you're still building weekly plans from scratch, maybe it's time to let AI do the structuring so you can focus on the teaching.